Hello everyone. Let, let me introduce myself. My name is Firminus Nun and my father.
My name is Evita Sijawa.
We are from Paso Christian High School.
Today we will present the result of our research entitled
Simulation of the customer queue model at the XYZ account payment counter using Aurina.
Introduction 1. Queues that are too long should be avoided because they will result in waiting times that are too long and will be detrimental to those who need this service. 2. One software that can be used to visually represent a queue system and analyze it is Eurina. In this research, Eurina will be used to analyze this queue system at a public service location.
3. Objective. Wait and queue model simulation at the XYZ account payment counters using Aurina to optimize service to consumers.
Research methods. By using a process, the queuing system can be described as follows. Start. Next, customer enter the system. Next, waiting in queuing. Next, locate basic. Next, customer at serve. Next, finish.
Result and analysis. 1. From the number in, a number out items, it can be seen that many customers can be stopped up to 100%.
2. From the wait time item, it can be seen that the minimum waiting time for customer before being served at the counters is 0.00.
This is our documentation. This is our reference. That our presentation. That is all and thank you.
Shalom.